Hi guys, this is Julio from Datalix, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through our platform and show you how you can easily access websites using BigCommerce as an e-com platform. So initially we are at the home page of the platform, and the filter that is going to help us today is the technology one. So we go at the technologies filter and we click at plus, and at active technologies we search for BigCommerce. Afterwards, we click at search. And as we can see here, we have over 10,000 results of websites that are using BigCommerce. So as we can see here, a bunch of websites. We can open one of them. Let's say Drony. And as you can see here, if we scroll down below at technology sections that we are able to detect, we can see that the ecom platform that they are currently using is BigCommerce, and it shows in green that this is an active technology that this website is using. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys today, and see you into the next one.